Tired of messy cabinets and never having enough space in your kitchen? These clever kitchen organization hacks and storage solutions you've not seen before are about to change the way you store, sort, and access everything. From hidden compartments to smart space-saving ideas, these finds make your kitchen feel bigger and way more functional. All products are linked in the description below. One piece of furniture that does the work of 5. This rolling kitchen island stretches from a compact prep station all the way out to a full dining table that seats up to 6. No extra chairs needed, no extra room required. It's got 2 drawers, 2 cabinets, storage racks, and even built-in power outlets with USB and USB-C ports so you can charge while you cook. The surface resists water, stains, and scratches, and the whole thing rolls smoothly on locking wheels. Bananas on the counter, onions in a drawer, potatoes who knows where, sound familiar? This 5-tier rolling basket tower gives every fruit and vegetable its own home. The open wire design lets air circulate so your produce stays fresh longer, and the wooden top doubles as a bonus shelf for oils, spices, or anything else that needs a spot. Roll it next to the fridge, lock the wheels, and you're done. 5 levels of organized, breathing storage that takes up less floor space than a single cabinet. Your kitchen just got a serious upgrade. This rolling kitchen island brings together a solid wood top, deep storage cabinets, 2 smooth glide drawers, a spice rack, and a towel bar, all in one smart piece of furniture. Need it by the stove? Roll it over. Need it out of the way? Lock the wheels and forget about it. The shelves inside adjust to fit everything from a stand mixer to a stack of dinner plates. It's the extra counter space, storage, and style your kitchen has been waiting for. Your kitchen finally has a place for everything. This rolling island gives you a dedicated zone for your coffee maker, microwave, and all the small appliances that usually clutter your counters. Tuck them behind the cabinet doors, and your kitchen instantly looks cleaner and more put together. Roll it wherever the morning routine calls for it, then lock it in place and let it work. It's not just storage, it's a smarter way to run your kitchen. Hidden in plain sight, this Pullout Worktop is one of those ideas that makes you wonder why every kitchen doesn't have one. A simple tug reveals a folding extension that sits flush with your existing counter. Instant extra workspace, no renovation required. Use it to lay out ingredients while you cook, or flip it up for a quick breakfast without setting the whole table. It holds up to 175 pounds and tucks completely away when you're done. More counter when you need it, 0 footprint when you don't. The kitchen corner cabinet has been a wasted black hole of storage for decades, until now. This revolutionary design fits 3 fully revolving drawers into that awkward corner space, so everything inside is actually reachable without getting on your hands and knees. No lazy Susan spinning aimlessly, no digging blindly into the back. Each drawer rotates independently, bringing your pots, pans, and pantry items right to you. It's the corner cabinet your kitchen should have had all along. Sometimes the best storage solution is also the most timeless. These wicker baskets slide right into your existing cabinets on runners, giving you a breathable, beautiful home for onions, garlic, potatoes, and any dry goods that hate being sealed away in the dark. The natural wicker keeps air flowing, while the lacquered beach frame keeps everything sturdy and sliding smoothly. They fit standard 15-inch and 18-inch cabinets, so chances are yours qualifies. Classic material, modern function, your pantry cabinet just got a whole lot more useful. 2 hooks, 0 drilling, instant upgrade. These over-cabinet towel bars hang right onto your cabinet door in seconds and keep dish towels exactly where you need them. No more draping them over the oven handle or losing them on the counter. The matte black stainless steel looks sharp and won't rust, and the padded hooks protect your cabinet finish. Hang them on the outside for easy grabbing or on the inside to keep things tucked away. A tiny addition that quietly makes your whole kitchen feel more organized. Cold drinks, a place to set them, and somewhere to stash the extras. This little outdoor table does all three. Pop the lid and it's a cooler that fits 24 cans or full-size wine bottles packed in ice. Close it and it's a clean, sturdy side table for your drink, phone, or sunscreen. When the ice melts, a drain plug at the bottom lets the water out without any heavy lifting or awkward pouring. It weighs just 7 pounds, needs zero assembly, and handles sun and rain without fading. Your patio didn't know it was missing this. The cabinet under your sink is basically a black hole, and this 2-tier pull-out organizer is here to fix that. The L-shaped design works around your pipes, making use of every inch that plumbing usually steals. Both shelves slide out from either side so nothing gets buried or forgotten in the back. It holds up to 50 pounds, the steel frame won't rust, and the grid bottom stops water from pooling. No tools, no screws, no nonsense. It snaps in and sticks down in seconds. Out of sight doesn't have to mean out of reach. If your cabinets are a chaotic stack of clanging pots and lids, this 6-tier organizer is about to change your life. It fits inside almost any cabinet, adjusting in height anywhere from 14 to nearly 25 inches to make the most of your space. 6 sturdy iron tiers hold cookware up to 12 inches wide, and the whole rack handles up to 66 pounds without budging. Protective pads on every tier keep your pans from scratching or tipping over. Works on the countertop, inside a cabinet, or on the floor, your kitchen, your call. That awkward corner cabinet where things go to disappear forever? This pull-out pantry is the fix. It swings open and rotates fully out, so you can actually see and reach everything inside without playing archaeologist. The baskets are height adjustable, so you can customize each shelf to fit anything from cereal boxes to spice jars. It handles up to 220 pounds, so load it up without worry. The soft close return glides it back in smoothly every single time. No slamming, no fuss. 16 spices, 0 counter chaos. This revolving rack comes pre-filled and ready to go right out of the box. No hunting down jars or decanting anything yourself. Just spin it to find what you need, pop the top, and cook. The sifter caps let you shake or measure cleanly without dumping half the jar into your pot. Every lid is clearly labeled so you're never squinting at identical-looking bottles mid-recipe. It's a great gift, too, for anyone who spends real time in the kitchen. Wet dishes stacking up with nowhere to go? This extendable rack stretches from 12 to nearly 22 inches wide, sitting right over your sink so it drains directly into it. No soggy countertop puddles. It holds up to 10 plates, 12 bowls, 6 glasses, a pan, and all your silverware in one organized setup. The stainless steel frame won't rust, and rubber feet keep it firmly in place without scratching anything. A removable 3-slot utensil holder keeps your forks and spoons upright and drying fast. 3 boards, 1 beautiful set, 0 counter clutter. These carbonized bamboo boards are heat treated to resist warping, cracking, and water damage, so they hold up through years of heavy chopping. You get 3 sizes for every task, from slicing a single avocado to carving a full roast. Flip any board over, and the other side has deep juice grooves to catch drips and keep your counter clean. They store upright in a matching stand that keeps everything organized and dry between uses. Good cooking starts with good control. These sleek glass bottles give you a smooth, steady pour every time. No glugging, no mess, no wasted oil. You get 2 500-milliliter bottles, so you can keep your olive oil and vinegar side by side and ready to go. Waterproof labels let you mark each bottle clearly and peel them off cleanly when you switch things up. They look sharp on any counter and make a genuinely elegant housewarming gift right out of the box. Reclaim your counter. Your fridge has been hiding extra storage this whole time. These 4 magnetic baskets snap firmly onto any fridge or oven side and hold your most used spices right where you need them. The magnets are seriously strong, so nothing shifts or falls even when you're grabbing things in a hurry. Each basket is fully adjustable, so you can rearrange your setup whenever you like. Rust-proof metal means they stay looking clean and sharp for the long haul. A pantry that actually makes sense. This is how you get there. This 24-piece set gives you 4 different container sizes to handle everything from pasta and rice down to tea bags and nuts. The lids lock on all 4 sides with a silicone seal, keeping food genuinely airtight and fresh, far longer than a loose-fitting lid ever could. Clear walls let you see exactly what's inside at a glance, and the stackable design squeezes every inch out of your shelves. 24 reusable labels come included, so everything is neatly named and easy to find. Corner cabinets are kitchen real estate that usually goes to waste. Not anymore. These corner drawers replace the classic spinning Lazy Susan with 3 actual pull-out drawers that bring everything straight to you. No more crouching down and fishing around in the dark for a pot you can barely reach. Each drawer slides out fully so you can see and grab whatever you need in seconds. It's a smart upgrade that turns the most frustrating spot in your kitchen into genuinely useful, organized storage. For the cook who takes their spices seriously, this is the ultimate setup. 60 glass jars sit in a solid bamboo rack that mounts on the wall, stands on the counter, or tucks inside a cabinet. Your kitchen, your choice. Every jar comes with a shaker or scraper lid, so you're dispensing exactly what you need, nothing more. Over 500 pre-printed waterproof labels cover everything from everyday staples to more exotic spices, with blank ones included for your personal blends. What if your entire kitchen could vanish into the wall? This hidden kitchen looks exactly like a sleek paneled art wall until you need it. At the touch of a button, the front panel lifts to reveal a full countertop complete with a sink, induction cooktop, built-in lighting, and a concealed ventilation hood. Storage units on either side hold everything from pantry items to appliances, all customized with knife blocks, spice racks, and modular drawer inserts. It comes in over 300 surface finishes, so it disappears seamlessly into any room, whether your style is ultra-modern or classically traditional. One table that goes from date night to dinner party without moving house. This solid wood dining table starts as a slim 18-inch console and expands all the way out to seat 12 people. No extra furniture needed. The matching bench stretches out just the same, and the 4 chairs stack neatly away when you need the floor space back. Everything is built from premium hardwood, so it looks and feels substantial, not like a folding compromise. The table and bench arrive pre-assembled, so you're sitting down to dinner the same day it arrives. Vanity chaos. Meet your match. These 4 clear stackable drawers let you see everything at a glance. No more digging through a cluttered countertop to find your moisturizer. Each drawer slides in and out smoothly on a built-in handle, and the non-slip silicone pads keep the whole stack firmly in place. They're tall enough inside to fit full-size lotion bottles upright, so nothing gets crammed or tipped over. Stack them as high as you like on your vanity, bathroom counter, kitchen cabinet, or anywhere else that needs some order. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.